Hi, I'm Yaz, your artsy BFF, and today I'm going to share how you can get inspiration from looking back at art history. Stick around because I've got tips at the end to help you apply these ideas to your own art. Have you ever wondered how artists come up with fresh ideas? For me, it's about looking to the past for inspiration. That's how I created my Matisse-inspired rapper series. By studying history, I discovered a way to blend the revolutionary work of Henri Matisse with modern icons like Method Man, Ice Cube, and others. Matisse broke the mold by using bold, unexpected colors in his portraits. His work challenged tradition, and that fearless creativity really resonated with me. So I decided to apply his unconventional style to portraits of some of my favorite rappers. My first piece was of Method Man. I used Matisse's techniques to bring him to life in a whole new way. I also painted Ice Cube, pulling from his I Rep That West album cover, and E40, who I originally painted on a music-themed news rack. After 8 years, I revisited the E40 piece and added a bright green background and a black outline. It was really rewarding to go back and see how my style has evolved. Then came Snoop Dogg and Mac Dre. I sold both of these, but looking back, I'd love to experiment with different backgrounds and outlines for them too. Originally, I had painted these pieces on a news rack for the Sacramento News and Review, but later transferred them onto canvas so I could keep them in my collection. If you're wondering how you can find inspiration from history for your art, here are a few ideas. Look up an artist or art movement that fascinates you. Study their techniques, colors, and even the stories behind their work. Think about how you can reimagine those ideas in your own way. Maybe it's blending their style with modern subjects or experimenting with their techniques using your favorite themes. History is full of ideas waiting to be reimagined. Whether it's learning from the past or putting your own spin on it, inspiration is really everywhere. Let me know in the comments which piece you like the most. And for more art advice, click this playlist here, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Happy creating!